In this section, I'm going to show you more than 100 Excel shortcut keys. Shortcuts can save you time when you work in Excel. You don't need to memorize all of them, just pick the ones that you think you would use a lot. You can find these shortcut keys in a PDF in the resources. Most of the shortcuts here work in every version from Excel 2007. A few of them may not in case you use other than English keyboard layout. If you use Excel on a Mac, here is a map for modifier keys. Many keyboard shortcuts will work on Mac the same way, but some will not. Find the original Microsoft resource link in the resources for more information. I categorize shortcuts and put them in separate lectures. Let's start with some general shortcut keys. When you see a modifier key like Ctrl, Alt or Shift in a shortcut, you need to hold it down and hit the other key in the shortcut. So all the keys have to be down at the same time. When you use the Alt key, you need the one on the left. I type in some data quickly. Ctrl Z, undo. Ctrl Y, redo. Ctrl Alt plus, zoom in. Ctrl Alt minus, zoom out. F1, help. I can look for the undo function, for example. Shift F10, context menu. Or you can use the context key on your keyboard if you have one. Ctrl F1, show hide the ribbon. Shift F11, insert new worksheet. Ctrl N, create new workbook. Ctrl W, close workbook. Alt F4, close Excel. I don't want to do that, so I hit cancel. Ctrl S, save. F12, save as dialog. Ctrl P, print. You can completely turn off these page breaks in Options, Advanced, Display options for this worksheet, disable Show page breaks. If you want to hide these page breaks without changing Excel settings, you need to reopen the workbook. Alright, in the next lecture we are going to discover navigation shortcut keys. See you in the next video.